I can't even think, I'm so tired. But yeah, this is gonna be the video. I'm leaving, I'm going to Reagan National Airport, DCA, going to RDU. Yeah, let's go. So that's the name of the hotel it was. I've never heard of them before. And yeah, just a little bitty place.
Thursday night or Friday morning. Some officials say it was humanely leaked from draft media. It suggests the court will overturn Roe versus Wade. Virginia's confident. On January 6th, and then the other lawmakers, the committee wants to talk to them because they were involved in various planning as well as rhetorical things in connection with what happened on January 6th.
As you can see, it's like a foggy, cloudy day, whatever you want to call that. North security checkpoint is probably all I need. This is what it's like to work in TV, where things change all the time very quickly. Hey Mason, hi Camden. All right, now we're going to security. Hey, let's check our flight. We haven't even done this yet. So, Raleigh. Looks like it's this top flight up here. Somehow, I don't fly American much, but I somehow got a window. They wanted to charge me like $46 last night when I called them to get my boarding pass. And then last night at like 2 a.m. it gave me one for free, so let's go. It took literally like not even 5 minutes. Looks like they're working on their ceiling here.
Thank you for your cooperation.
They are very good about posting everywhere, like stuff like this, like, hey, this way, this is this way is that. So this is kind of the architecture of this building is that. Here's a little layout of the building. I guess we're right here. I could tell when I was driving, we were taking that Uber in, that shortly after takeoff, it's going to go right into fog, clouds, whatever you want to call it. That guy over there is asleep. I think he's supposed to be on this flight. I don't know. I almost woke him up, but I didn't know what to. There was a guy sitting right by me. He fell asleep. I didn't know if I should like wake him up or something. I felt bad, but I'm guessing that guy will wake him up. Plane we got CRJ700. Just like I thought, once we're up in the air, basically immediately it's just you can't see the ground, which is unfortunate because we would have flown over everything in DC. That's really cool. But keep watching because there is some amazing footage here of flying through clouds. If you love that at all, be sure to keep watching because this gets very, very cool. This is kind of a cool little mosaic. Really nice tile work. Whoever did that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do though, be sure to hit like and subscribe and you'll see more stuff like this in the future. I really appreciate the subscribers, and if you have a comment, leave it below. Any questions, whatever you have. Yeah, I can't think of anything else. Oh, it's starting to rain here a little. Maybe I'll get a little footage of this venue I'm going to. It's called PNC Arena. It's for Game 7 of the Boston Bruins and whoever, these Carolina Panthers, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you can see this rain. Let's see if we can see it. See it coming down? I don't know. It looks like a mist. Anyways, take flight.